Guys, let's unbox what we got from the yearly Starbucks traditions or yung collecting stickers ng Starbucks. Let's go! Okay, let's try to open it. Maliit lang siya, tapos... Okay, so barely a month since they launched their Starbucks tradition. So, you need to collect 18 stickers for you to get either a tumbler, apat yun eh, and then, or a planner. So, tara, let's unbox what I got. Nakadalawa na kagad ako. So, first, ito muna yung tumbler. Let's go. Okay, this is cool. Ah, nice. Ang ganda. In fairness, ang laki niya. I think better to pag pang venti na frap. Galing, ganda. In fairness. May mga gold details siyang ganyan. Tapos there's a straw and a cover. Good. Ganda nito. Sulit to, guys. Ito naman yung planner nila. Let's unbox it. Okay. Here it is. So may cover. Let's try to fill it. Okay. So this is the cover. So, ayan siya. And then, let's try to open it. Ah, that's cool. They have, I think these are stickers. You get some stickers. And then, ito yung planner nila. Hey, this is cool. Gagamitin ko to. Feeling ko. Open natin. So, you also get a pen. Tapos, pretty much, ito yung mga makikita mo sa loob. Maliit lang siya. Tapos, may sulatan din. Tapos, may calendar. Tapos medyo may parang grid for each month. And then, maliliit lang yung pwede mong sulatan, which is I think very good. Lalo na kapag hindi naman masyadong marami sinusulat ko sa planner. So, tapos cute size lang siya. Tapos meron pa siyang lalagyan. Sulit din to. Kaya ito nga yung mga kinuha ko yung first two that I got. So guys, continue collecting stickers. 18 stickers for you to get one of each. So may dalawa pa na pwede. I think there's a mug, tapos meron pang isang parang aluminum na parang tumbler din. So, hindi ko alam kung i-collect ko pa yon. Pero ako, I'm happy na with this two. Ito naman yung tina-target ko to get. So, collect pa until January naman to usually. So guys, yun lang. Thank me later.